With AI-powered tools, writing and publishing books on Kindle has never been easier. Whether you're a seasoned writer or a beginner, AI can help generate book ideas, outline chapters, write content, and even design book covers. Here's how. Step 1. Generate book ideas with AI. If you're unsure what to write about, AI can generate ideas based on popular trends and reader interests. Try these prompts. Suggest 5 non-fiction book topics related to personal finance. Or, give me 3 ideas for a sci-fi novel with a unique twist. AI will provide a list of ideas. Pick one that interests you and refine it. Step 2. Create an outline using AI. Once you have a topic, use AI to generate a structured outline. Example prompts. Create a detailed outline for a self-help book about productivity. Or, break down a fantasy novel into 10 chapters including key events. The AI will return a structured outline helping you organize your book. Step 3. Write chapters with AI assistance. Using the outline, direct AI to write each section. Example prompts. Write the introduction for a book about freelancing success. Or, expand on Chapter 3, how to manage time effectively. Refine AI-generated content by adding your insights and personal touches. Step 4. Design a professional book cover in Canva. A well-designed cover is crucial for Kindle sales. Use Canva, a free design tool, to create a compelling book cover. Here are the steps. First, go to canva.com and search for Kindle book cover. Then, choose a template or start from scratch. After that, add the book title, author name, and a relevant image. Finally, download the cover in JPEG format, which is Amazon's preferred format. Step 5. Format and publish on Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP. Go to Amazon KDP and upload your book. Ensure your book is formatted as a Word document or EPUB file. Make sure the cover image meets KDP's requirements. Set a competitive price and choose the right keywords for visibility. Step 6. Find AI-written books on Amazon. Many books on Kindle are AI-assisted. Look for example books in the description by Chester C. Final thoughts. Using AI and tools like Canva, anyone can quickly write and publish a book. Start small, refine your skills, and grow as an author. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the notification bell. Please subscribe and make sure you fully understand part 4 of this video.